Hi friends, welcome to TechTech channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix Windows Defender behavior Win32 in Windows 11 PC. So before we start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. First of all, you have to go Windows Security. Then click on Settings. Under Setting, click on Manage Notifications. Here you disable virus and treat protection notifications. Click on Yes. Then disable account protection notifications. Then disable firewall and network protection notification also. After disabling all these options, close this window, restart your PC or laptop, fix your problem. So in this way you fix this problem. Thanks for watching friends. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.